Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are staying healthy and safe. Welcome back to my channel. The holy month of Ramadan is fast approaching. I always make resolutions for Ramadan. Sometimes I follow them, whereas sometimes I cannot. This time I wanted to keep my kids engaged in a very healthy way as possible. So as a part of my deep cleaning, I decluttered their room and introduced a new small interesting space for them. In this video, I have also included how I organized my kids' e-learning area. Hope you all find this informative and useful. Let's get started. So this is how the neatest version of their room looks. It's always very messy. Firstly, I started cleaning their wardrobe, removed all the clothes and rearranged them. These are the clothes that they wear outside. Sorted those which needed more washing. I separately arranged both the girls' clothes and placed them back. Next started cleaning their shelf where I keep their home wearing clothes. I keep them in storage boxes like these so it's easy to pull out. But they get very messy too, as I encourage them to choose clothes by themselves after shower. When it is very messy, I console myself that this is also a learning process. This is an old uniform sweater which I'm not sure was mine or one of my sisters, but anyways, Haya uses it now. Next, I'm cleaning up the shelf. They keep their small toys in one of the drawers in the base of the bed. This had to be decluttered and cleaned. Here they were supposed to keep their books, but this almost looked like a rubbish bin. Haya keeps her school stuff in this shelf, cleaned and reorganized it. Finally gave a good clean to the entire room and changed the bedsheet. I introduced a reading corner to the room, inspired from Haya's classroom at school. Nothing great, but placed an old blanket on the floor and a plush toy instead of cushions. Finally, sprayed an air freshener into the room just to freshen it up. These are some books and stationeries to keep them occupied during Ramadan. I don't know for how long, but we can always try. I allocated a separate space for Haya's e-lessons to avoid disturbance from the little one. Online learning is a new experience for me. There was a lot of chaos in the beginning, so I definitely had to organize everything to make life easier. I wanted lots of natural light, so placed a table in front of the window, and thankfully she did not get distracted. I used a coffee table to have enough space to keep all her things. Coffee table is not in use nowadays. Cleaned it up very well. Then cleaned up the entire room. I placed her books, pencil, sharpener, and eraser. A comb and a hairband to dress her hair in the morning. A water bottle. Haya has to be in proper school uniform, at least the upper part, to attend online lessons. So I hung them in the same room to make everything easily accessible. Also stuck a printout of timetable right in front of her. So that's all for now. Hope this becomes useful to you. If you liked it, please do subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.